will only come from NCERT. Like 80 to 90% of the paper set in NEET will be from NCERT. Like it will be from the lines of NCERT, it will be from the diagrams of NCERT, from the representation, from the flow charts, everything that is in the NCERT. So it was one of the strategy that I used in my 2 later drops, like giving the utmost importance to NCERT books, like be it be inorganic NCERT, be it be organic NCERT, be it be biology NCERT, even physics NCERT, the questions that are in the blue boxes, the solved questions. There had been times that they, like the paper setters, they just repeat those questions. They just pick those questions without any change in digits, without any change in any pattern, and they, like, those questions are from NCERT, directly from the NCERT.